Don't know how to explain it, but there's something about old cars that brings people together. Every car has its own story, and this 240Z is no different. It was saved from a junkyard and is made from two different 240Zs that were combined. My friends and I road tripped it from Denver to Dallas, blew the head gasket on the way in, and limped it home on 3 cylinders. Now this 240Z gets a second chance at life with a new drivetrain from a third donor vehicle. Now this is uncouth churlishness, and let's get into the engine swap. So we're out here at our friend's shop out in Denton, Texas. We're going to put this car in this beautiful shop, get on the lift here, get underneath. Hopefully do a seamless engine swap. We have a stock engine going in a stock car. Hopefully we won't have any problems, but we'll see what happens.
No problems, right?
That's right.
Yeah, look at the bottom side.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh yeah, you're overflowing. You're overfilled. You're overfilled, bud. Jake, what did you do?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Did we tell you that thing was full?
So what, Tracy, what are we doing right now? What should be happening?
We're gonna do a leak down test. Can you take the valve cover off?
Absolutely. 10 mil.
Woo! That wasn't too bad. Doesn't like the loads are worn. Good and flat. Just shiny. I'm gonna go in with 100 pounds.
So what does that second gauge do on there?
Tell me how much. I'm putting in 40. I don't have any. You can hear it. See if it's coming out of the carburetor. Is it coming out of the exhaust?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
It's that burning exhaust valve.
We're gonna have to like figure out what kind of fun. Hear it again.
Crankcase, that's the ring. Could be because it's setting. You're young, you gotta pull it back out. You can live with it.
Fuck! Yeah, that one's exhaust.
It's gonna be a jacked up valve.
What's the problem?
Quit turning. See if you can turn the motor back the other way.
Ah, it's not happening. She's stuck. Lightweight. There it goes. I think it was just,
Go the other way.
feels like a little rust in the cylinder, like stuff a little notchy. There's a hard spot. Past it. It's easier.
There you go. Okay.
Well,
Well,
definitely exhaust.
and you might get it to where it runs and it cleans itself up. I don't know, you know, I could be clinking my heels together and saying there's no place like home. I don't know.
We're here, might as well throw it in.
I'd give it a whirl. One thing about it's consistent. They're all about 10 to 20.
Keep going, you're doing great, bud. Look at it. All right, day 2, we're back out here. It's already, 100 degrees. It's about 11:30, 11 in the morning. Last night we got the exhaust cut off. We got the oil drain. Still got to drain the transmission. Gonna put some PP blaster in to get started before it gets, 105. Okay, so we're looking under the car now. Most of the damage that I see is actually these, I don't know what you call them, subframe arms, whatever. This one's actually pulled out from the floor. That's our big problem with this car. So it ripped both sides out of the floor, and there's some rust, just like every Z, so we're gonna have to do full floors in this car. For what it is, it's actually in pretty decent shape. Not bad. For a transmission that doesn't have any synchros, yeah, there's pretty good material on the magnet. So we're back up top now, and we only have a few things left to disconnect. We gotta undo these 2 fuel lines here, undo these 2 sensors for the ignition, and then our coolant temp sensor, disconnect the throttle linkage from the car, disconnect the choke and throttle cables, and we'll hit these 2 engine mounts, and then it'll be ready to come out. To get this engine in and out, we actually added, right here, this little 90 piece with the eye hole through it isn't stock on this motor. We just added it to an intake bolt to give us an attachment point. It actually worked out really well, because there are no other attachment points on this engine. And then to lift it from the back, we actually took this bolt out the back. May not be the ideal way to do it, but it seemed to work so far. And there seems to be enough room for this to work again when we put the engine in the car. So here's the problem. We have to have this thing kick up. This whole engine's gonna stick up at like a 45-degree angle. It's ungodly. Then I'll have to get in here and lift up the transmission, because we can't take this out. Can't take this out because it's spot welded in place. So,
All right, ready?
go ahead. So what we're doing here is we're taking these two mounts off and gonna put a jack under here to support this transmission, and then undo the 4 engine mount bolts, and then this puppy should be free. Back up top.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
Okay. Gotcha, just about.
Perfect. Keep going.
Yep, you're good, it's free. I'll roll.
Okay, hold on. Don't move. Don't move anything. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll the car backwards.
Ready?
It's free, go ahead. Keep going. Oh, the drive shaft is No, my nuts are smashed, but I'm fine. Alright, watch the oil pan.
Almost, man.
Alright, keep going. Push it all the way. Fucking send it. There you go. There you go. Alright, keep going forward.
Okay.
Ow, just pull it up.
Can you not pull it down?
I'm not that strong. There we go. There we go.
Oh, watch your fingers.
Alright. Pull it out. There you go. Alright. You can roll the car back. To roll the car back, it's going to hit the hood latch. Just push the car back. There you go.
Oh, man.
Alright. Woo! Ah!
You're so
I
dirty.
know. Look at that. Get a shot of that. Woo! There you go. Hanging on the
crowbar. Hit the grill.
What?
Careful. Grill.
Good save.
Now let it down.
That's a much easier way to do what I was about to do. Okay, so we got the car back from Tracy's. We got a few parts left to install. I'm waiting on some parts to arrive, like spark plugs, water pump, transmission bushings, and some other cool things. But big thank you to Tracy for letting us use his shop. This would not have been possible without him. And thanks to Casey and all the guys for helping us out. Thanks to Allie for filming. Thanks to Mike for helping. We appreciate that. A lot of cool things coming soon. Hopefully this weekend we'll have this engine running. Maybe that'll be a Friday or Saturday upload. I'm not sure yet. But a big thanks to everyone for watching. My name's Matt. This is Uncouth Carelessness. Thank you for your time.